Students, in this video you are studying about 12th standard computer science chapter 7 topic function arguments. What is function arguments? Arguments are used to call a function. Arguments are used to call a function. Arguments are used to call any one function. Okay, there are four types of function argument. What are they? First one, required argument, keyword argument, default argument, variable length argument. Okay, there are four types of function argument: required argument, keyword argument, default argument, variable length argument. First one, required argument. What is required argument? Required argument are the argument passed to a function in correct positional order. Required argument are the argument passed to a function in arguments are passed to a function in correct positional order. Arguments passed to a function in correct positional order. Okay. Here the number of argument in the function call should match exactly with the function definition. The number of argument is same in function definition and function call. Function call argument and function definition arguments are is matched, should matched. Okay. You need at least one parameter to prevent syntax error to get the required output. If you need at least any one parameter is changed, the output syntax error will be displayed. Okay. So example here, def print string of str. Here def is a keyword, print string is a function name, str is argument. Print example required argument, print str return function. Last one, print string of. This is the calling function. This one is the function definition. Okay, this calling function. Next function definition. The function definition name and calling function names are same. Print string. Okay, students, the function definition name and calling function name must be same. Next, arguments. Function definition have one argument, but print string have no argument. Cannot same. Okay, the arguments are cannot same. But your definition is the function call should match exactly with the function definition. Function call should match exactly with the function definition. What is the output will be displayed in this program? This is the output. Okay, type error. Print string of missing one required position argument str. So this is not display output. The error message will be displayed on the screen. Okay. Next one, instead of print string of in the above code, this is the above code. Instead of print string welcome, within brackets having welcome. Here print string of welcome, then the output. If this one is changed, here having welcome in parameter 1. Welcome is one parameter and str is one parameter. The parameter is same. Then what is the output will be displayed? Example required argument welcome. Example required argument, then print what? Welcome. Okay. So the function calling function argument and function definition arguments are must be same. Okay. So this output will be displayed. Next one, keyword argument. Next one, keyword argument. Keyword argument will invoke the function after the parameter are recognized by their parameter names. The keyword argument will invoke the function after the parameters are recognized their parameter names. Okay, the value of the keyword argument is matched with the parameter name and so the value of keyword argument is exactly matched with the parameter name. The values are matched to the parameter name. Okay, so this is the keyword argument. One can also put argument in improper order, not in order. This is improper order. Keyword argument have no proper order. For example, def print data name. This is the function definition. What is the function definition name? Print data. Okay, with one argument. How many argument? One argument. Argument name. Name is the argument. Print example 1 keyword argument. Print name colon to print function using first one example 1 keyword argument name. Okay. Next return calling function here. Here this is the calling function print data name equal to Jishan. name equal to Jishan. This is the Jishan is the value. Okay, this Jishan is the value. This print data having only one argument, but this name is the argument, name having in one value. Okay, so this one matched to the function definition. Okay, the what is the output will be displayed? Output example 1 keyword argument and name what? Jishan. Okay, this is the output of this example. Another one example, same program, name, but name 1 equal to Jishan. Calling function here, let us see here, calling print data, name 1 equal to Jishan. Here argument is name, but here name 1. This is not matched. So what is the output will be displayed? Type error, print data got an unaccepted keyword argument name 1. This message will be displayed on the screen. Okay, this is not matched. Another one example in keyword argument, def print data name comma age. There are two argument having name and age. Here another print age, print name, print age, print example 3 keyword argument. Last one calling function print data age equal to 25, name equal to Jishan. Here in function definition having argument name is first one, age is second one, but calling function having age is first one and name is second one. The order is changed here. Okay, so this one is correct. The here definition one can also put argument in proper order. Here two arguments must be having, but order is changed. Okay, what is the output will be displayed? Example 3 keyword argument name Jishan, age 25. In the above program the parameter order is changed. Parameter order will be changed, but parameter arguments is must be same. Okay, so this is the keyword argument.